Hey guys, I am back like I promised to share with you guys what I brought with me on my vacation recently to Austin, Texas. I've just now gotten around to making this video. I have been back. It's a week today, actually. I got back a week ago, but for me, when I travel, it takes me a while to get back into the groove of things once I get home. So that's why it's taken me a while to show you guys this video. Rather than doing a whole, like, what's in my carry-on, I pulled out this bag, which is where I keep my oils. And I actually really love this bag and carry it with me in my purse, even after traveling. You guys saw that I did an unboxing of a Young Living zipper oil container. I love that, but my daughter actually has taken that over. So I need to get another one because I do like carrying that in my purse rather than this. But we make do with what we got. I do love this because it is plastic, so if anything does leak, I've never had a problem of anything leaking, but if it does, this is really easy to wash. So I'm just gonna open this and show you guys what I carried with me on the plane, because I do use my oils when I fly, because all you guys know, I am not a fan of flying. I'm a highly sensitive, anxious flyer. So on my way to Austin, I think our flight was like right around 3 hours, no problems at all. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna kind of share with you how I used each of these oils. Some of them were used once we arrived, others were used on the plane. So I'm just gonna open this up and start pulling things out. Okay, so first here, I don't know if this is gonna focus so you guys can actually see, but this is that gonna focus? Not really. This is La Vanilla, the healthy fragrance. This is like my favorite perfume ever. And I got the little travel roller ball size. I actually keep this in my purse because a lot of times I forget to put, because I put oils on all the time. I don't always use perfume, but when I do reach in my purse and see it, I'll put it on, and it goes great with basically any oil I'm wearing. So I just do a little bit, roll it on my wrists or behind my ears. So I brought that with me to Austin in my bag. Can't go anywhere without the Thieves waterless hand purifier. This stuff is amazing. Best hand purifier I have ever used. I have extras of these all over my kids. I give them to carry. My daughters carry them in their purse. It's amazing, and it's got peppermint oil in it. Feels great on your hands, smells great. All right, so I got that. Obviously, on a plane, you need some hand purifier. This I whipped up for my trip specifically because I knew we'd be in Austin and I knew it was going to be hot. And this is basically my cooling spray. It is the same recipe I use. So I tend to get heat rash when I'm out in the sun a lot, especially if I'm overheated. So this cools me down, and if I do happen to feel itchy or feel like I'm getting heat rash, this will nip it in the bud really quickly. This is also, like I said, this is also the spray we use after sun. So this is our after sun spray. I definitely, okay, let me just tell you guys, if you're going anywhere that you're going to be out in the sun, make yourself, this I got at Target, this little container, this travel size container I got at Target. This stuff is so easy to make. All I did, I should have brought the ingredients up. All right, here we go. All I did was I added like 5 drops of lavender, which yes, that's in this bag, and I will be walking you through how I use it. 10 drops of peppermint, okay? Then we have this stuff called, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go grab it. Hang on, just a second. I'm back. All right, we have this stuff called Coolazole Sports Gel. This stuff is amazing. I can already tell I'm gonna need to order more because I'm only got like this much left. It lasts forever though. It's great for after you work out. If you have any sore muscles, it's great to put that on your sore muscles. But a magical thing that I've discovered is it works great for an after sun spray or cooling spray. So, like I said, 5 drops of lavender, 10 drops of peppermint, and then I do like a half a teaspoon of this stuff. And if you look at it, I'll put some on. It's really like liquidy. So that's what kind of gives this, I mean, you can kind of see it dripping down my hand. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but yeah, it's like dripping down my hand. So it's not, I've already actually got a little bit of sun right now, so I'm just gonna put this on my shoulders. You just use a little bit. So just like half a teaspoon. I actually got some on here. Half a teaspoon in here. And then I fill the rest up with witch hazel that has aloe in it. You just shake it up and spritz it on. And it is so cooling. So a lot of the guys got sunburnt when we were in Austin, and so they were all stealing my spray because they liked it. Like, it's amazing stuff. So it's great for just cooling off. So I keep it in my purse because, you know, out and about, if you get hot, spritz yourself and it will cool you down. It's also great for after sun spray. Okay, the rest of the things in here are oils. So I'm just start pulling them out. Deep relief I use if I have any tension, and I've got only a little bit left of that too. If I have any tension in my head or neck, I will roll this on. That's how I use it. So I did use this, I use this on the plane. I also roll this on my stomach. It's really great just to, because that's where I tend to hold my anxiety. I feel it in my belly. Valor, I'd never go anywhere without Valor. This is like Brave in a bottle. And then, obviously, you guys know, never go anywhere without my peppermint. Peppermint Vitality and Lavender Vitality. Vitality, what that means is you can ingest these. So I put a drop of peppermint in my water bottle and it helps calm my belly. I also put this directly on my belly before a flight. I will actually, so I go into the bathroom right before I get on the plane. I will do 1 drop of peppermint, 1 drop of Panaway. That's why I carry Panaway in here. 1 drop of Panaway, roll it together, and then roll it on my belly because I get like anxious cramps. So I'll roll it on my belly where I'm getting cramps. And then afterwards, I will go back and roll this on top of it. Yes, you end up smelling like peppermint, but it helps so much. So then after you do all that, you still have it on your hands, so rub it on the back of your neck. It's amazing. Okay, so I do that. Then these other ones, I'm trying to think if I did not use these on my trip, but these are favorites that I usually carry with me when I know I'm gonna be in social environments, especially since I tend to be an introvert. Well, these two. So I brought Peace and Calming, and its name tells you everything you need to know. And then I also brought Grounding with me. This is a great one where if I would have moved to this after doing the peppermint and the Panaway and the deep relief on my belly, if I could not for whatever reason get past the negative thinking or the anxious thinking, I would have grabbed Grounding and just kind of sat there and smelled it and tried to meditate to get myself back in a grounding position. Thankfully, I did not have to do that. I didn't have any anxious episodes while I was on the plane this last time. Okay, I also threw in Juba Flex. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got a glare. Juba Flex. Okay, why did I bring Juba Flex Vitality? Juba Flex is amazing for your liver. If I know I'm going to be on an adventure where there's going to more than likely be lots of drinking involved, I will throw Juba Flex in my bag because it is a great, like I said, it's great for the liver. It's a great detoxing oil. So after a day's worth of drinking, I always drop this in my water. And I even do that like when I'm at home. If I've been out with friends and just had a little too much indulging, the next day I will add a drop of this just to help flush everything out. So that is it. That's what I carried in my bag. There's like a little ant here. Okay, I killed it. We're good. That's what I carried in my bag for Austin, and I'm gonna throw everything back in like so. I mean, I don't even like make it look special. And I will probably, I'm trying to think what all I'm gonna change out. I'm not exactly sure that I'll change out any of these. I'll probably leave the Juba Flex on my sink with my other Vitality oil, so I'll be taking that out. Otherwise, I think everything else in here is gonna stay. So that's kind of my go-to for traveling, but also, like I said, you can carry this stuff with you day to day because it's amazing. Okay, hope you guys had a great week. I'm sorry that I didn't get to come on before today, but I will be back with more ramblings next week, hopefully. All right, talk to you guys later. Until next time.